Alright guys, welcome back for part two. Believe it or not, part one got interrupted by the video meeting that we had last Friday. But here I am through the magic of time and the interwebs. And we're going to pick up and continue with the example we're looking at. You should have the Venn diagram and the two-way table copied down from the last video. And we're going to answer these particular questions. What's the probability what's the probability that somebody likes pizza and burgers? So we're going to pick a person at random from our group of people. And we want to know what is the probability that the person we pick likes both pizza and burgers. Well, what do? We go to our table, which I've got up here. So remember, this was pizza, and this was burgers. And we want to know what's the probability if we pick a person at random, he's going to be one of the people that likes both. Well, there are 7 people that like both out of a total of 30 people. So the probability that somebody likes pizza and burgers is 7 out of 30. Okay. The Venn diagram makes it easy for us to be able to find out, see those numbers. Even easier with the two-way table. Let me really quickly reproduce the two-way table. So remember we had liking pizza or no pizza, liking burgers or no burgers. So liking both was 7. Liking burgers but not liking pizza was 5. Liking pizza and not liking burgers was 14. Not liking either was 4. Okay, and so it's exactly the same diagram that we had in the last video. So you go back to yesterday's, just not yesterday, just the last video, part 1 of this. It's exactly the same table. So if we're after the probability of somebody who likes pizza and burgers, well, we come to the table and we find, well, where do people like pizza and burgers? 7 out of how many? Out of 30, and that's what we have up there. Okay, so very easy from either a Venn diagram or a two-way table. They do the counting for us. Okay. What about if we want to know the probability that somebody liked neither? Well, liking neither, there's 4 out of a total of 30. Or over here, again, liking neither, 4 out of a total of 30. There's no particular advantage to either the two-way table or the Venn diagram for this question, but it's pretty easy to see how we get our answer when we look at either of those tables. Last question, what's the probability that the person only likes burgers? Well, only likes burgers from here. Well, there's these 5 only like burgers, okay, out of a total of 30 people. And over here, only likes burgers, and I've just realised, where am I? Yep, only likes burgers, so likes burgers, doesn't like pizza, is 5 out of a total of 30. So either way, we've got a 5 out of 30. Okay, and the Venn diagrams and two-way tables are just there to help facilitate our finding of those numbers. Exercise 9B gets you to produce and then read data off Venn diagrams and two-way tables. Love it if you could have a go. And again, flick me any questions you've got. If you're watching this almost as it's going to air, don't forget that this afternoon at 1 o'clock, we're going to have a meeting in Microsoft Teams. if you're watching this in the future, you need a time machine and to enrol in my Year 9 class to catch up on that meeting. Guys, take care. I'll see you later on. Any questions, any problems, as usual, comments below, or flick me a question on Teams. Thanks. Cheers.